Welcome to my Comfy course. Now, whether you're a designer, photographer, content creator, or some kind of a developer, or someone who's simply curious about what AI can do, you are in the right place. This course is about ComfyUI, a tool that lets you build, run, and customize AI workflows to generate images, videos, audio, and more. By the end of it, you'll know how to navigate it, understand how it works under the hood, and build your own workflows from scratch. We'll start at the very beginning. No prior experience with ComfyUI or AI generation is assumed. If you've never touched a node-based interface before, that is perfectly fine. Now, if you do have some experience and want to deepen your understanding, you'll find plenty of value here too. Here's the path we'll take. We'll begin with what ComfyUI is, what it does, why it exists, and why it's become the tool of choice for so many people working with AI generation. Then we'll spend time getting comfortable with the interface, the canvas, the menus, the toolbar, and all the controls you'll be interacting with daily. Now, once you're oriented, we'll get you into the core of the course, understanding nodes, connections, and how data flows through a workflow. This is the foundation everything else builds on. You'll learn what each type of node does, how the color-coded connector system works, and how to read any workflow by following the path from input to output. With that foundation in place, we'll build workflows from scratch, starting with a basic text-to-image pipeline and expanding from there into image-to-image video generation and more. Along the way, we'll cover the essential supporting topics, models, and what the different types do, prompting, and how to write effective descriptions for both images and video. Saving and sharing your work, all you need is curiosity and a willingness to experiment. ComfyUI rewards hands-on exploration, and the best way to learn it is to build things, break things, and figure out why. Let's get into it.